Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial is going to be all about embedding objects in a Google site. So we did a tutorial earlier on kind of an introduction to Google Sites, and we did some basic embedding. We embedded a calendar and a Google document. And when I say embed, that means basically in your website you're going to have items pulled from other places on the web. And so an example of that might be videos. So let's say you've created a bunch of YouTube videos, or you found a bunch of YouTube videos that you think would be beneficial to your kids to be able to watch. Instead of forcing them to go out and find all those videos on YouTube and by doing searches, you can just embed them all on this page, and then they can come here and watch them all whenever they have time. So we're going to do that real quick. I have a YouTube video that I've found here that is about solving quadratic equations. You can find videos about anything on YouTube. There's a website called Khan Academy that has thousands of websites on multiple topics, that ranging from elementary math to philosophy, college philosophy. There's tons of websites or tons of YouTube videos that teach you how to do things, or teach you material that's important to your education. So I've got this video, and I think this is one that students might use in my class, so I'm going to copy the link. So just come up there, select the link, and say copy. I go here to my videos page, and anytime you want to embed something, you use this insert menu up here in the top left. So I'm going to insert, and I'm going to insert a video. Okay, and this is a YouTube video. So then it says paste the URL of your YouTube video here. So I've got that URL that I just copied, so I'm going to paste it right there. Okay, and so that's all I have to do. Say save, and it's going to embed that video. So I'm going to hit return a couple times and get to a new line. Let's find another video. Let's do one on I don't know, American geography. Okay, so here's one about the East African Rift Valley. I don't know anything about that. So you want to watch this video, of course, to make sure it's a good one. But let's just say that we want to embed that. So I just copy the link. I've got my cursor here where I want the video to go. So again, I say insert, video. It's a YouTube video again. And you paste that link that we just copied in there and say save. Okay, so now I have two videos embedded on the same page, and I could keep on going. I could put 20 videos on this page, and that way kids can come here and watch these videos, and I can put them in order of the lessons that I'm teaching, however you want to do it. But you can put as many videos on this page as you want. So when you say save, it's going to show you what it's going to look like when people view the website. So you see you got those videos are just embedded on the page. So that's really simple, really easy to do. So let's do another one. Let's do a new page, and I'm just going to call this tutorials. I'm going to leave it, my template is web page. Okay, so now we're going to embed a tutorial from a site called ShowMe, which showme.com is a website that you can add tutorials to, and it's using the iPad, which will be a different, we'll have another video about how to use that. But so I'm going to find one here real quick. I'm going to pause the video and find a good ShowMe video that we can use, and I'll show you how to embed those. Okay, so I found a video that we can use here. This is on showme.com, and so if I want to use this video, there is an embed link right down here below this, and you'll find that with a lot of video websites. Vimeo is one. Pincast, if you use if you have a Pincast pin. There's lots of things on websites that have an embed link. So if you click this embed link, it's going to give you some code. And I know that looks kind of intimidating, but you don't have to worry about what it means or what it does. All you have to do is copy it and paste it. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back to my website here. Okay, and so I'm going to say this video was on Inside Zone. So I'm going to put a little header there, and then right here is where I'm going to put the video. So now we copied that code, and if you notice it's HTML code. And so excuse me, I'm going to click this HTML button right here, and that shows me what my website looks like if I'm looking at the code. And like I said, this looks kind of intimidating, but don't worry about it. So right here, here's my inside zone play, and then you notice I have this BR that stands for a page break or an enter. So right after that, I'm going to make a little space there, and I'm going to paste that code in. I'm going to say update, and that's all I have to do. Let's say save, and let's see what it's going to look like. So there we go. That's embedded. So that's a little bit more difficult to embed something like that, but it's easily done. And like I said, you know, just you can pause and rewind this video a few times to see how I did that. But basically, when you're editing the page, I can do it again. Let's edit this page. We'll come down and we'll put another video underneath that one. So I'm going to say second video. I'm going to click this HTML. So now, boy, it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here, but we just got to look for that second video. There it is. That's where I typed it, second video. I'm going to look for that BR, and then right after that little BR, which stands for break, I'm going to come in and I'm going to paste that code. Say update, and so then now you'll see we have the video in there twice. So it's pretty easy. You know, the code can be kind of intimidating, but you can do it, and it makes it easy for your kids if you have a lot of different videos or pictures or whatever that you want to put on one site where they don't have to go out and go to all these different websites to access them. Embedding is a nice, easy way to do that, where all the information they need is in one spot.